Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the OBD port, also known as Diagnostics Port on Volkswagen Tiguan, that generation here. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts to use diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix if your OBD port doesn't work. And after that, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So guys, the OBD port, also known as Diagnostics Port, which fuses and relays we need to check this thing out now. When we open the hood, guys, on that Volkswagen Tiguan, right here there is one fuse box that most people think about. They think you have only that fuse box right here. When you open it, actually your fuse for the OBD port is not in that fuse box, guys, but it's in a fuse box that's hidden inside. You wonder where? Well, let's come this way. It's inside the vehicle. So if we open the driver's side door, come by the steering wheel, on the left side here you're going to have one, guys, hidden fuse box. Check out the video on our YouTube channel about Volkswagen Tiguan fuse box location and diagram. It will teach you about all your hidden fuse boxes, relays, diagrams as well. But here, okay, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to check fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Guys, two fuses here will need to be checked specifically. You wonder where they're located. Well, the first one, the numbers of the fuses will be listed right next to them. They're little bitty numbers, but you can see them. That's fuse number 15. Okay, fuse number 15 is one of them, and the other fuse that you will guys need to check specifically will be fuse number 23. So 15, 23. These two fuses will need to be checked for the OBD port. If your OBD port does not work, you may need to, guys, make sure that an aftermarket one wasn't installed. Sometimes they relocate them so the vehicle cannot be stolen easily as well. So that could be the case as well. We don't have specifically dedicated relay, but you may want to check, guys, okay, your relays as well, which are extremely hidden, but the video will be on the channel about Volkswagen Tiguan relay location and diagram. Check it out if you need help with that as well. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.